Good afternoon. My name is Judith Moses, and I'm the head teacher of Wowetta Primary School. COVID-19 has affected our school tremendously over the past year and a half. Since we had the lockdown on the 12th of March last year, it was difficult for us to have classes, normal classes, since our community was one of the communities that was affected first with COVID-19 in North Rupununi. My students were very disappointed, especially the grade 6 class who were preparing for the National Grade 6 Assessment 2020 when we had a lockdown. So far, it's only grade 5 and 6 that is in this classroom for normal hours, whereas from grades 1 to grades 4, we're doing a rotational timetable. For grades 1 to 4, I noticed that for this term here, we're having a lot of challenges whereby we were not able to cover a lot of curriculum work because of the amount of days that the children are in school per week. For example, for grades 1, grades 1 and 2 would attend school like once or twice per week. Some homes in the community have access to the learning channels, and their children have been doing well. I'm hoping that it's going to be a plus. Today I tested the grades 5 and 6 and I noticed them yawning. I was laughing, I said I hope that they wouldn't get sleepy with this. But they're all excited. Never mind today they got sleepy. I think it's because they were involved in too much of outdoor activities, so they were like tired when we test them out at 12 today.